Today, your best engineers spend hours, sometimes days, waiting to know if their designs can actually be built. Tooling costs, manufacturing delays, redesign cycles, missed deadlines. What if that friction simply disappeared? In this demo, I speak to my CAD system like I'd speak to a colleague. Parts are created and assembled intelligently. Manufacturing viability is validated instantly. No waiting, no back and forth emails, no surprises in production. Here's what the data says. 70% of manufacturing costs are locked in during the design phase. Harvard Business Review. Design changes after tooling costs 10 times to 100 times more than changes made early. A single mold modification can cost $50,000 plus and delay production by weeks. Traditional DFM feedback loops take 2 to 5 days per iteration. What AI-powered validation delivers: 30 to 50% reduction in design cycle time, 40 to 60% fewer physical prototypes needed, 25 to 50% fewer design-related errors reaching production, 20 to 40% faster time to market. This isn't automation, this is augmentation. Your engineers stay creative. The AI handles validation. Your team moves faster. Quality goes up. Your products reach market sooner. Costs go down. Whether you manufacture automotive parts, consumer electronics, medical devices, or industrial components, the principle is the same. Design confidence at the speed of thought. We built this proof of concept in weeks. Imagine what we could build together for your specific workflow. The future of engineering is conversational, intelligent, and validated in real time. Are you ready?